So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-length hair. Wow, what a transformation. So she decided to switch things up with this beautiful face framing pixie. Loving the color on this. It's like a really pretty soft brown ginger color. Very nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations. Here we have someone with very long hair. The hair has been sectioned off into different ponytails. The stylist begins to cut. Wow, look at all of that hair. And bam, beautiful choppy pixie style. Very nice texture for that one. Next up, we see this beautiful ginger, light brown colored bob. So there is the before. And there is the after. She looks absolutely beautiful. And her hair looks so much thicker than it did before. Next up, we have someone with a colored undercut. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. So she's kind of styling the hair. I really love the color. It's like a gray and purple lavender tone. Paired nicely with her purple lipstick. Very pretty. And then we have someone with a rose gold and blonde undercut pixie style. Very pretty. Followed by another hair transformation. So she ended up getting a beautiful pixie cut. This one also has a lot of texture to it. And he does leave quite a bit of hair in the back with this one, really kind of playing into that modern mullet trend. Wow, I love the fluffiness that this has. He does create a nice little spiky texture. Very nice. Such an edgy and modern haircut. Beautifully done. And then it looks like we have a blonde pixie makeover for the next one. Beautiful honey blonde, warm blonde tone. Gorgeous pixie. Wow, look at the fullness that this has. Very pretty. And then we have someone with gray hair. Beautiful salt and pepper. Looks like she's in for a cut refresh. Wow, beautiful pixie. Oh, her hair color looks so gorgeous within this haircut. Absolutely amazing. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.